Ever wondered how to turn your own voice into a song using AI? With Suno AI, you can now clone and use your voice to create original music like never before. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to upload, train, and use your own voice inside Suno AI for music generation. Let's get started. First is open your Suno account. On the left side on the menu, select the Create. Find the Upload Audio, click on that, and from here you can now start recording your voice. After recording your voice, click Finish Recording. If you want to trim, you can, but if you don't want, you can just click Solve without trimming. In here you can change the title, and Suno generates an image that is going to go along with our recording. Here we can click on Confirm and Save. After that you can see the uploaded video and click Extend. After clicking, the audio will show and you can edit it. If you want to put some lyrics, you can. The style of music, title. After editing those, click Extend. And that's it. You've just learned how to use your own voice with Suno AI to create music that sounds uniquely you. Whether you're making covers, original songs, or experimenting with AI vocals, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to explore responsibly and stay creative. Thanks for watching.